Hello. You a girl? Of course I'm a girl. Look at me. You a lesbian? No, I'm not a lesbian. Good. That's good. What the hell is this in my book? Are you a dog? No, I'm not a cat. Good. Good. What the hell is this? It's called Dog versus Cat. Big stuff, man. Big stuff. I don't like it. Well, you better like it because it's all that happened for a long time. Nice and slow. Nice and easy. You want to go nice and easy? Yeah. You're doing over? Okay. Do you like nice and easy head and shoulder thing? Yeah. We're going to do it like that. Okay. And then we're going to go full rampage. We're going to go full rampage! What? Full rampage? I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I meant nice and easy. Full rampage! He's shouting on me! Okay, it's nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nah. Nah, good. Nah. 1 day later. Oh my god. What the hell happened? You had sex with me? Did I? Want me to do it again? No. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Thank you.